will I get COVID with vaccine? Is one of the most commonly asked questions. Dr. Santana Krishnan, sir, your
Yeah,
thoughts are on it?
yeah. I think this is a myth, and we will try to clarify. All of us will try to give you some explanation. Number one, the COVID vaccine, the component, does not have active virus. Either it has a protein or it has an inactivated form of a virus which has been chemically inactivated. So the virus cannot replicate in our body. So actual injection, taking an injection, will not give you viral infection. So COVID vaccine will not cause COVID. However, the vaccine does not give you 100% protection forever, that you will never get an infection. So that's something we need to be mindful. Linga, do you want to add on to that?
Yes, what you're saying is 100% right. The answer to the fact, do we get COVID after with vaccine? The answer is no. That is why all over the world they're advocating the use of vaccine, and we've seen definitely especially most in healthcare professionals. The last year by this time, most of the deaths were occurring because of their high virulent load. We can easily see most of them have been vaccinated all throughout the world, and in spite of their exposure, thankfully, you can see that the amount percentage of people, healthcare professionals getting the COVID is quite minimal. Data are still evolving, and even as we are speaking, things are getting updated everywhere. So but the fact is, COVID per se, vaccine doesn't per se cause COVID. But if you do tend to get symptoms immediately a day after the vaccination or somewhere along the line, we always have to think of other causes, as we have discussed, isn't it, ma'am? What are your thoughts on it?
Yes, you might hear people saying, or you might experience infection after receiving vaccine. There's a possibility that you've already been exposed to the virus before you went for the vaccine, and you've been on the incubation period. And getting the symptoms after the vaccine is possible that you've already been exposed to the virus. And also, once you receive the vaccine, it takes about 3 or 4 weeks for you to develop the immunity. So don't let your guard down. Even if you have had the vaccine for at least up to 3 to 4 weeks, definitely make sure you're following the mask, wearing the mask, washing your hands, keeping your social distancing. That is going to help you reduce the contact you might get with the virus. So be on your guard. Be on your guard.
And just to again sum it up, COVID vaccine per se will not cause COVID infection, but let's not be complacent. We should follow those rules because the pandemic is still there. And the other point, even though we talked about reinfection, everything is minimal. You might not get a full-blown COVID infection, but you might be an asymptomatic carrier. So we shouldn't say, I've got the power, I've had the vaccination, I'm going to go around, without the guard. So keep your guard down, like masking, social distancing, and hand washing. So thank you.
Thank you.